So you want to start a bounce house company? You came to the right place. Today's video, we're going to talk about chairs. I got 3 different types that I use in my everyday rental operation. I have a white padded event chair, I have a white event chair, and a tan chair. You pay about $36 for these white padded chairs, and you pay about $12 for each of these event chairs right here, $13 depending on where you go. I personally like to buy my chairs from Tent and Table or Palmer Snyder, but sometimes you can find used chairs that look pretty good cheap, and that's the route I took this year. I bought these chairs for $6 a piece, but then I bought them in bulk because I bought 500 of the tan ones and I bought 100 of the white ones. So I ended up getting them for right around $6 a piece, or right around $5.50. That I got for $12 a piece used. They all look just as good. Go look for your deals if you can, if you're starting out small, people. These 2 chairs right here stack right here. They stack in stacks of 50. That's the only reason I actually buy these ones. You can get them from a whole bunch of different companies, but you want to get them geared towards the rental company. Then these only stack in rows of 25. So that's only 50 chairs right there, whereas in that black one's 50 chairs. The reason you buy chairs like these for the rental industry is so you can move them around. They're on wheels and they just roll. And you just roll back into place too. So now I'm moving 50 chairs at a time instead of only a couple in and out. These bags I got from Rental Innovations. They're pretty nifty. Not only are they color coded and they go over padded and non-padded chairs, but I can tell you when they're clean or they're dirty. It's pretty cool. What's up, everybody? Video's not done, but if you could subscribe, it'd be really appreciated. I keep my chair ratchets in these bins right here. Chair ratchet looks like this. Just one end right there and a basic loop end strap on the other end. So when you put them through, it goes over like that. Don't go to Harbor Freight when you buy your dollies. When you buy your dollies, you're going to go to a Mover Supply warehouse. They have way better ones with bigger wheels. So when you move these chairs around, it's easier to move around and better casters when you don't have the right ones. You might say that these chairs don't hold a lot of weight, but I'm 6'5" and 350 pounds, and I sit on them all the time. What's up, YouTube? Hope you liked the video. Here's some more.